Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I'm doing a video because I want to. I haven't, what? Hold up. Okay, calm down, Jess. This is a video about some of my favorite bath products. Not sponsored, not nothing. This is a store in Disney, and so like for years I've gone to Disney Springs, which used to be called Downtown Disney. When Tyler and I would go to Disney World, we always go to Downtown Disney / Disney Springs. And they have a Basin there, which this is, it's just a bath product company. They make soap, things like that as well. And so ever since that very first time I went in, I remember a couple years ago, early on my channel, I'd gone and I did like a Basin haul. And there's something about that like to me, it's like nostalgic now. And I feel like I hadn't bought from Basin in a while. Like I'd buy little things here and there when we go. So this past time when I went, I bought some more bath bombs and things like that. And then I don't know if I posted, I don't know where I posted about it. I don't know if it was like on Snapchat, probably Snapchat, Jessica. Because we always like vlog on Instagram stories and Snapchat while we're there. And then we do like our official vlogs on Tyler's channel, which is Tyler Travels TV. Go check it out. Anyway, so Basin, I guess, found out that I knew about them, loved them, I don't know, whatever. And so they contacted me and basically said, hey, we'll send you some more products. I'm like I was so excited because to me, Basin is like I said, nostalgic and like old school Disney to me. Old school. It's like only a couple years ago, Jess. But it's just special. And I love their bath bombs. And I always like, every time I like take the time to buy them there, I like have to package them in my like suitcase so carefully. And so I use them so sparingly at home. So the fact that they were going to send me some more stuff, I was like, oh my gosh. I'm like, I've already bought a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to show you the stuff I bought first and then the stuff they sent. They don't know that I'm filming this video. I mean, they sent it probably hoping that I would mention it, but I just figured I'd show it to you guys because I really do like this brand of stuff. So I know that you can buy their stuff online. Of course, you don't have to be in Disney, so I'll link whatever I can, or at least their website below. So I went in and I was getting their bath bombs, and they have like these big, I'll show you in a minute, these big things you can buy and fill for like a certain price, like 20 or 25 bucks, and you fill as many bath bombs as you can. Of course, they know how many you're probably going to be able to fit in there. Anyway, but I just wanted to get some that I could still take home because this was going to take a lot of room in my luggage. So I was like, no, Jessica, you can't do that. So I got 3 of their, I think like their medium-sized or small-sized bath bombs. So one of them, I don't remember. I just got 3 and 3 of the same kind. You could mix and match if you wanted. But one of them, I think the purple one was maybe lavender, and then this one was like relaxing, I think is what it was called. And I was like, every time I get a bath, it's always because I need to relax. So I wanted more relaxing scents, and lavender and whatever this was like exactly what I wanted. So I got 3 of those. I'm so excited. You know, the reality is they have these giant ones, and those are all great and dandy, but to me, I'm like, I don't want to use that whole thing in a bath. That's a lot. And, you know, these are expensive, but with this size, I don't feel as bad using the whole thing. And I don't want to take the time. I know. Some people take the time to cut it and cut it. I've tried that in the past, and it was a nightmare. And so I'm like, forget it. I'm just going to get smaller ones and just use the whole thing. So I was all excited about those. Then I saw, and these were new to me, and I even asked the worker there, I was like, hey, are these new? These are their bath bomb marbles. And I'm like, these are so cute. So I got 2 different kinds. I got 3 of each, but I figured this is easy to pack and travel with, but they're just these cute little tiny bath bombs. And I thought you could use 1, you could use 2. I had to take a pause and call Tyler in here because I couldn't get the lid off the thing I was talking about. And then he brought these in. And if you have not had, found them at a store near us called Meyer, but the brand is Second Nature. It's their Wholesome Medley. It's nuts and dark chocolate chunks and dried fruit, and it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Okay, so these bath bomb marbles, I got one that's like orange and yellow and one that's like pink. I'm so sorry that I don't remember the names. I feel like these were cherry, and this was like, I don't know. It reminds me of my favorite scent of their bath salt, which is Satsuma. Oh my gosh. I'll show you in a minute. Anyway, I thought these are so cool. So I'm excited to try these out, let you guys know how I like them, but I love the idea of that. So I also purchased 2 of their little, I've already used some, 2 of their little bath salts you can fill. Oh my gosh. They all smell so good, but my 2 favorite, this one is, oh crap. I don't remember what it's called. I can put it on the screen because I can look it up. But I love this one. It's a really soft and sweet smell. kind of vanilla-y. And then Satsuma is my favorite, very energizing smell, but I just love it. I don't know how to describe it. It's so energizing and like, I don't even want to call it citrusy because I feel like it's not, but oh man, I love these. So I had originally, when I first tried Basin, I bought like all of their kinds, but I kind of narrowed it down this time because I'm like, these are my two favorite. Maybe it's called like Enchanted Sands or something like that. I actually used this in Disney. We had a bath in the resort we were staying, and I was like, my feet were so tired every night, so I would get a bath every night and just use, I just used a little bit because I wanted to bring it home. All right, so now on to the things they sent for me to try. They sent me a lot of their soaps. If you are into bar soaps, you will love these. Tyler and I, for a while we had them and then we didn't, so we got rid of our little like cute soap dishes we had, and I'm like, dang it, I wish I hadn't, because now we have all these. This one's Grapefruit. Look at this one, Princess. It's got a little crown in it, and they literally have these giant like bars of these that they can cut. It's so cool. Florida Sunshine. I love all the designs in these. We used to have like a Halloween and a Christmas one. I think we used those up though. Then Lavender, one of my favorite scents. And then this one didn't have a name, but it kind of looks like villainy, doesn't it? Look like a villain. Anyway, so what's fun is because they're also in Disney, they do have like more kind of fun, more whimsical ones. And they also have specifically Disney ones in there. Like they have a Mickey bath bomb, things like that. So they also sent lip balm. And I've never tried these, but even Tyler was like, ooh, like, well, there's one in here. He's like, can I have that one? I'm like, of course. But I love, you know, they use really good ingredients, so I'm excited. So there's their Basin White Natural Lip Balm and Vanilla Mint. That one sounds up my alley. There's their Iced Pear Lip Balm, and then there's just their Coconut Lip Balm. So we'll see which one. Tyler wants one, but I don't know which one. Like, don't take the Basin White one. I really want that one. But really excited about that. This, oh, they sent 2 more of their bath salts, and it looks like Satsuma is one of them, and I'm like, yes! The other one is white. Let me smell. Ooh, coconut. Definitely coconut. So that one smells really, really nice. I don't remember that one in store. But either way, pumped about that. Oh my gosh. And then this, I've wanted to buy for so long, and I never do because I know I'm not going to be able to travel with it. It is there. I need to like mix it up, truly mix it up, but it's their sugar scrub. They have this section in the middle of their store where you can use their scrubs and wash your hands. Your hands, you put the scrub on it, and they're like the softest like things you've ever felt. You don't want to like touch anything ever again. Amazing. So I'm so excited. Tyler was excited when I showed him this because he was like, that stuff that you use on your hands and you wash, I'm like, yeah, that stuff, because he knows how unbelievable it feels. So really excited about that. And he pointed out that it's in a plastic container, which is nice because I once made my own coffee scrub, and I put it in a glass container and it shattered. What was I thinking? I don't know. They also sent one of their body butters, and I've never tried these either, other than like, I don't even know if I've tried it in a tester in store. But that is great because I figure I can use this right now on my baby bump especially. But it's their Basin White brand body butter. It almost smells like frosting, but like a hint of frosting, like not. Anyway, I am really excited about this because that feels crazy moisturizing. And you know, the reality is some of these are not cheap. Like it's not, I think that their bath bombs are cheaper than Lush's, but I mean, these are still like, the body scrubs were kind of expensive. So they really are like, I kind of expect them to be nice. You know what I mean? So they also sent a, this is probably the thing I was the most excited about, a thing of bath bombs, but they're the big size. Oh my gosh. So we've got all different kinds in here. I'm so excited to try. Again, I'm going to feel guilty using them. Maybe I will break them up. We'll see. But really, really cool stuff. So it's definitely worth checking out if you're into this kind of thing. I mean, if you're not, then it's probably not worth checking out. You're probably not even watching the video. And it's a brand that I feel like no one talks about, and they deserve more love because they're so good. And I feel like we all hear about Lush so much, especially in the earlier days of YouTube. We hear about Lush a ton, but it's like, Lush is great, and I've got products of there, but I feel like this stuff is just as good, if not better, and no one really talks about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in our Disney vlogs, we have them over on Tyler's channel. I'll link the very first one below so you can kind of, what's going on? So you can watch them in order if you're interested, and subscribe to his channel as well to catch our future vlogs, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!